this is Miss Tixie from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your June love forecast for water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yes, friends, so if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign by any astrology is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you can cross watch this reading for them. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Do like, share, and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much, friends. Let us see what will happen for Cancers for the month of June. For Cancer, in this reading we'll cover Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You can watch the other sun signs. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is general reading, and friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednesdaytarot.com. Friends, ooh, your cards are jumping. Let's start with Cancers first, and then we are going to go into Scorpio and Pisces. So how the month of June will be for Cancers. Okay, this wants to come out. Ace of Rods. This is beautiful. The Magician, the Eight of Swords, the Hierophant for Cancers. How the month of June will be. You can check these readings in Hindi also, friends. Our channel posts in both Hindi and English. So let's see. Cancers, I feel June is a very good month for you. You could be dealing with Cancers, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Definitely, I feel you are already dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. This person is younger than you, I feel, and Cancers, I feel this person is at a distance from you right now. I feel there is a chance you want a new breakthrough in this connection or in your love life. Cancers, I definitely feel some of you are trying to manifest a new relationship or a new job, or you are just wanting new things in your life. Cancers, you are in the Magician's seat. You want change. You are trying to change your life, bring happy changes, happy news and happy blessings into your life. And friends, I would like to say, sorry to interrupt the reading, it doesn't matter the language of the reading. If you want to understand, you will be able to understand because the cards are the same. You know, I know many English viewers who watch Hindi readings on our channel and enjoy them equally. So I know it's like music. If you, it doesn't have to have a language, you know. It's about the connect. You can connect with it or you may not connect with it. You can love it or you may not. So try and stay positive, friends. The world has too many challenges. I do not think we need that challenge here, friends. Absolutely not. Let's move on to the reading. Angel blessings to all of you, friends. So I would say that Cancerians, this is a very powerful month for you. I think you are trying to start new things in your life, but I feel there is also someone who wants to start new things in this connection also. They want to manifest you back in the month of June. I feel this person was stuck, or you or this relationship was stuck in the past. Things were not moving ahead, but I feel in June some sort of a breakthrough is going to happen. This person is going to move ahead, or they are going to come out of these fears and come towards you. I feel this they could be at a different country, city, or it's a long distance relationship. I feel this person surely wants to win you back, and they definitely want to do things right to you, bring justice, bring balance in this situation. I also feel I will be going to the other aspects of June, career and money. Just let me cover the love area first. If you are really single, I feel you will be feeling very excited, very motivated to change your life. You will be trying to manifest a job or a career or maybe a new partnership, but somewhere you may feel Cancers a little doubtful. You may feel somewhere a little doubtful, or you may feel scared, or you may in the past maybe you were not open to manifesting a relationship or ready for love, but now you will be in the month of June. I see you changing, and I see you getting the justice that you deserve, Cancers, I see that you will be getting that justice. So if you are manifesting a lover, yes, your wishes will come true. If you are waiting for a past relationship or a lover or a husband or wife to come towards you, yes, chances are strong. I also feel, cancers, you have done a lot of work and you had been waiting since a long time. So definitely your patience and your hard work will be rewarded. I feel this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person definitely is trying to manifest you back in their life. They want this passionate new start with you. Some of you will hear from this person this month. They will move towards you. Some, maybe if they can travel, they will try to meet you, talk face to face. I feel if you are married, there is going to be more passion in your marriage, and more passion, more communication. If you were in a long distance, like if you were both living in different cities, your husband and wife, there is a chance of them coming back or you guys meeting after a long time, and it is going to bring you happiness. I feel someone sees you as the emperor or the empress, cancers, or you will see yourself as the emperor or empress in the month of June, which is very positive, which is extremely positive. And I feel this is something you are going to, um, you know it if you are not feeling with that, I think if whether you are single or waiting for someone, you are going to connect with your power, with your inner strength, cancers. And I definitely feel someone sees you as this empress or the emperor, and they are going to make an offer towards you, or they will try to start something with you. Let me just take some more cards for cancers for the month of June. Yeah, see, Nine of Pentacles. You are choosing yourself, friends. And I feel you definitely are choosing yourself. You are choosing your self-worth, your money, your value. You don't want to settle for anything less in the month of June, Cancers. I feel some of you, if you are single, you could be working hard on your career, focusing on your dreams, your goals, your ambitions. I feel that someone is watching you right now. It could be a husband, a ex-lover, ex-lover and ex-wife, or twin flame, soulmate. So someone is definitely trying to. So I feel this person is definitely watching you, keeping an eye on you, Cancer, and I feel you both are keeping an eye on each other in the month of June, and there is definitely a new start, a chance of a new start, or communications starting, coming back on track. That is going to happen for you. If you ask about work, I feel you will be very passionate about your work, your career, and you want expansion, you want change. If you are a student also, you want to take the next steps. You will be working more hard, working more, focusing more on your money, on your perfecting your skills and all those things. It is actually a very good month for you, Cancers, and you will be valuing yourself, and others will see that, they will respect that. And I feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus will try to win you back, or will try to message you. What else is the message for Cancers? Let's see. Release. I definitely see some of you could be letting go of some past energies. I feel number 13 and 31 are important for some of you. I feel something definitely has happened in the past, Cancer, which has hurted you. Something has happened, something has been uh, you know bothering you from the past, but it will change. You are out of that energy. It's already, it's just a matter of time. It may still be affecting you, the past, but you are already beyond it. You have overcome it. For Cancers, what will happen in the month of June? See, refusing to see and listen. Number two, again number two. So 2 and 4 is here. Definitely 2 is about communications and connections, relationships, and one-to-one talk, personal face-to-face meetings. I feel there is a person who has not taken a decision about you. In the month of June, they will be taking a move towards you or something. I feel also in regarding your career, also you are feeling a little stuck, like you want a change, but you don't know which way to go. You have a decision to make, Cancer. So that will be happening. You will gain the clarity that you need, and I feel someone is not telling you they like you, they miss you, they will be making a move towards you. I think a lot of messages are coming towards you, so it is time to focus on listening to others or listening. I feel someone wants to tell you how they feel, and let me just take a glance. I definitely feel you will be getting a lot of cosmic messages like divine signs and all those things. Also, Cancers, you're very connected to yourself, your spirituality, universe, its messages. So, number 222444 could be important, win or lose. I feel you are winning, winning, winning this month, Cancers. This is beautiful. You have the energy of winning, victory. You have faced losses in the past. Now you are about to release it. It's over. No more losses, no more pain. You are the magician, the ace of rods, the hierophant. Time for justice, time for things coming towards you. For Cancers, what will happen in the month of June for Cancers? Flexible. I definitely feel number 19, see again, it's a one energy. 19 is 10. That's you know, like again 9 plus 1 is a 10, and like it's one energy. So I feel you need to stay a little flexible because things are going well, but they may go better than you expect, Cancers. So that energy is there. You should see doing things by the book. I think someone 1111, definitely a twin flame connection is important, or maybe something important will happen in the month of June. I think you need to do things traditionally, or someone wants to do justice to you. If they were unfair, they will come back and apologize or say something. Between worlds, definitely you feel at crossroads in the month of June. You already know that yeah, you need to change something, and something you can feel it, right, Cancers? You can feel it in the air that something is coming towards you. It hasn't yet manifested, but it's coming because you are the magician. Let's see if, one romance angel's message for Cancers. Ooh, my God. See, romantic feelings and finances and career. Absolutely. Someone has very strong feelings for you, Cancer. Either you have mutual, I think this is mutual, you both have strong feelings, and your feelings are real and worth exploring. So someone will be telling you how they feel about you, and it is also the listen card is here, so you need to listen and not judge them or do anything like that. I also feel you will be very focused on your finances because you want to win, win, win. And I think it can affect your love life because your career, your finances will be geared up, your focus will be more on your career. I also feel someone has chosen their career, their money in the past. They will be coming towards you in the month of June. That's it for now, Cancers. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So Scorpios, let's see how the if your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign by any astrology, birth date, name, any astrology you follow. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Let's see how the month of June will be for Scorpios. Let's see, friends. I have also done the Hindi reading. You can check that out if you want to. Wow, Ace of Cups, the devil. And friends, please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. We are working very hard. You have seen we have worked so hard. Please do subscribe. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Page of Swords, the Devil, the Ace of Cups, Scorpios, Two of Cups. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Ooh. The Temperance in reverse. Oh my God, there were two cards. The King of Cups. That's your energy. That's your energy. My God, that's beautiful. Let's pull another. Okay, this wants to come out for Scorpios. This is a powerful month for you, Scorpios. You have the Ace of Cups. Definitely, I feel you could be dealing with a Okay, I'm feeling a few things. You could be Scorpios dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I feel some of you could also be dealing with a Capricorn. So there are two signs I'm getting: Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or a Capricorn, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel you start this month feeling very much addicted to this person. You are actually frustrated with this connection, Scorpios, because you cannot stop thinking about them, or they can't stop thinking about you. It could be an ex lover or a current lover you are not in contact with or not talking much, or your twin flame, your ex husband, wife. This is someone you like, love, or someone who likes and loves you. I feel they are watching you, they are very, very fixated on you, or I feel it is both ways. It is like for some of you Scorpios, this Capricorn or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is fixated and obsessed about you, or you are obsessed about someone. That's interesting. I feel June will bring you a new emotional happiness, a new emotional connection, or a new reunion sort of a thing, a new start in some way. For you Scorpios, it is coming. I feel communications are very, very blocked right now, or this person is refusing to see what you are telling them, or maybe you are not open to their um, views. I think you both do not see eye to eye on something, Scorpios. You and your person, I feel this person is like they are stuck in some belief, like they say you are not trustworthy, or you feel they are not trustworthy, and things are at a stalemate. I feel you will be able to recover from that, and this Ace of Cups of happiness is definitely going to come, because you both are feeling this intense emotional love for each other. I will come to the singles and the career. Just give me a minute. I will cover this for the relationships for couples. I think this person is going to offer you this Two of Cups of love, or you both will share your feelings. No matter what the situation is, I feel like you have a lot of love, and this is an equal partnership. But I think the temperance is reversed, is like something needs to shift in this connection. I think there is so much love, there is so much compatibility. No one wants to give up on this relationship, but only one person is giving or doing in this connection. Maybe Scorpio, it is you. They are not listening or giving. I think something is imbalanced right now, and it needs to be balanced. I will take a clarifier. I think, like in the past, this person was not giving to you, or was not communicating with you. They will be sharing their heart and emotions in the month of June. See, yeah, see, you both are hurting without each other. You both need to understand that. You both are hurting without each other. There is no happiness, there is no joy. Even though when you are together things don't go so well, because I think you have some communication issues or trust issues, Scorpio. But there is a chance of you both coming and talking and sorting things out. I also feel you feel a lot of love for this person, and this person is also trying to mature up and offer you this cup of love. I think their emotions, they want to balance this connection, and in June it will happen. They had actually, you both had faced losses in this connection. You both had been disappointed in some way in this connection, but things are going to shift, and they are very close to shifting. But you both need to meet at one point, you know. You both need to compromise a little. It's not like one person can do and fix this relationship. If you are single, I feel you feeling very, very connected to your self love, to your creativity, to lots of, feeling very happy. You may feel nostalgic about a past lover, or a childhood relationship you had, or someone you dated in the past. You'll feel very nostalgic. I feel you could attract new love or romance through social media, online dating, Facebook, WhatsApp. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. But I think you will be in double minds about saying yes to them, because you had been through relationships and you don't feel like they give you something. They are usually imbalanced. So you may take your time in saying yes to this person or this new friendship or this new love. But I think eventually in the month, as the month progresses, there will be this friendship that will form between you and them. And I think through hard times, or if there are any challenges, you both will understand and support each other. The more you tell, if you are single and this person tells you about their past, or you tell them something about your past, you will help and support each other, and that will make your friendship deeper. And I feel that will make them very fond of you and very, very affectionate towards you. But I think they will want to have a relationship with you if you are single, but you will be like, no, I had been there, done that. So you don't want to complicate things. You want to stay in this happy mode. I feel work wise you will be very creative, very creative, Scorpios. And you are waiting for some news, some information regarding your work or exams, or you are waiting for a call letter or exam interview calls or any exam dates, some news you are waiting for. I think it will be coming. There may be some confusion regarding the date of the exam, or whether it will happen, or whether the interview will take place, but I think it will resolve in your favor. I feel happy people or supportive people will help you in your work. I also feel money will be coming your way in the month of June, and I also feel like you will find a lot of support from your work, your seniors, your colleagues. They will be helpful. If you are wanting to travel, you might face some disappointments in traveling, or for higher education. You might face delays or some disappointments in travel, but rest in other areas, it will be a good month for you. Let's see, Scorpios, what other advice there is for you. For Scorpios, how the month of June will be. Wow, feeling alone. Observe number 12 for Scorpios, how the month of June will be. Win or lose. And the throat chakra. Wow, I think definitely someone is really, really missing you. Or you could be missing someone, Scorpio. It is number 5, so maybe their birth date is 5, 15, or 25, or your birth date is that. Or maybe the month of May is important to you. I feel if you are feeling alone, you are going to find a happy, this Ace of Cups of happiness, that glimmer of hope is going to come to you, Scorpios. So don't worry about it. There are people who can help you. And you may feel about relationships. Again, there is a 5 number. Again, there is a 5. Oh my God, 555. This month is about changes, positive, happy, beautiful changes coming in for you, Scorpios. And win or lose, you also feel like love is a losing battle, but I think someone will change it for you this month. Someone can change it. Maybe a good friendship will come, or a friendship that was lost, or a relationship that was lost will come back, and you will be able to find the happiness. I also feel you need to improve your communications, or some focus more on what you are communicating. Your throat chakra will be very active. So I told you, news and messages, those things, delays may happen. It may frustrate you, but stay relaxed. Observe number 12. Wow. You may feel, you are missing someone from the past, or you are becoming too obsessed about them, too nostalgic about them. Nothing makes you happy, or something like that. You have everyone, everything is perfect, but still nothing makes you happy. I think you need to find, how do I say this? I think you need to just accept how life is for right now, because great things are happening for you. And sometimes you need to just, sometimes the past appears beautiful when we view it in from here. But when we actually go back and, when you realistically view it, the past may not be very, very beautiful as you are assuming it right now. So don't feel alone. You have a lot of support. And you have our channel also. You have nothing to worry about. You have Magic Vans Tarot with you, so you don't need to worry about it. Wow, higher power. Definitely God and angels are with you, Scorpios. You are being supported. Love is coming your way. People are going to offer you support for Scorpios. Wow, unfinished symphony. See, you are missing someone. You don't feel complete without this person. It could be a friendship, it could be a sister or brother relationship for some of you, or husband or wife, you're missing them. You want to have a conversation with that person, someone, your twin flame, number 10. Definitely, this person could be an artist, musician. I think you can feel more happy this month if you listen to some music, watch your favorite movie also. Someone is returning back towards you. They have a loyal heart towards you. That person is coming, or for others it is a new person who has a loyal heart towards you. Let us just pull some romance angels messages. Scorpios, that's beautiful. Loyalty is beautiful, and you are very loyal. I know Scorpios are very loyal. Wow, deception. Someone is wearing a false mask in this relationship. I feel you are not seeing things clearly, Scorpio. And I feel others are not telling you how much they love you. This Ace of Cups, someone needs to tell you. Someone is behaving like this devil. They are not telling you how much they miss you and love you. I think that is going to change in the month of June. Playfulness, yes. Some happy energy is going to come in your romance. Some happy messages, some love, some joy. And what a beautiful month it is. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if it resonated with you. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And this is Mystic C. Singh. Bye for now. Hi, beautiful Pisces. This reading is for you for the month of June. So, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, or you know a Pisces, you can cross watch it for them, friends. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Let's see how your month of June will be for Pisces. You can watch this reading in Hindi also. I've already done it. Wow, Queen of Rods for Pisces. How the month of June will be. Wow, the Devil. Nine of Cups. For Pisces, how the month will be. Wow, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel there is already a couple. The King and a Queen are here. Wow, the Eight of Pentacles, the Star. This is beautiful, Pisces. I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel some of you could also be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel you all have different sun signs, partners of different sun signs, Pisces. So for some of you, your partner could be definitely Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or they could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or they could be a Capricorn for some of you. Or a Virgo, but definitely a Capricorn. Wow, I feel you start the month feeling very focused, feeling very charged. You know what you want and you are determined to get it, Pisces. You are not in a mood to settle down or settle for less in the month of June. Your focus is on getting what you want. You feel very attracted, very passionate towards your lover, your twin flame, your husband or wife, your ex-husband or wife, whoever you are asking about. You feel a fated attraction, a sexual chemistry with them, and I feel some sort of a happy celebration is going to come in the month of June. Absolutely, Pisces, you are going to get some happy news. Congratulations. And I feel, friends, this happy news is like some of you will be meeting. I think I'm getting many messages from this card. I feel you will be getting reuniting with friends or family, or meeting someone you had been waiting for. So something happy is going to happen in the month of June. And not just that, your wishes definitely are going to come true. You have the Star card. Wow. I feel Pisces, someone is watching you. This either this fire sign or air sign person, they are keeping a watch on you, and you both feel this strong, passionate connection between each other. It's like this sizzling chemistry between you both, and this chemistry, this passion, this love will become more in the month of June, and till the point you will feel like you are obsessed with each other. For some of you, if you are married, you may find someone outside your marriage, and you feel not like you indulge in extramarital. No, I feel like you feel an attraction towards that person, and even you don't know why it is so. For others, this is someone you are twin flame or your ex partner, someone you are waiting for. You will feel very, very passionate. They will also feel passionate towards you. And I feel there is a chance 50% of you could be meeting this person. For others, this person will talk to you or you will talk with them, and some happy memories will be shared. I feel a relief will come in this relationship, a relief from all the past issues, fights, pains, all those things will be over, and a relief, a happiness will come in the month of June for you. I also feel you will be either you or someone else, Pisces, will be ready to work in this connection, give you the love you desire. Someone maybe could give you a gift, or maybe you will gift someone something. Like you will gift your lover, your husband or wife, or your partner, twin flame, or maybe your parents or sisters, you want to gift them something, and you will make something, or someone else will gift you something, and it will make you feel very happy. You will feel very connected, very, very happy, and this will make you feel excited, very excited. I also feel if you are single, you may find someone who works at your work or someone you work with or study with, and the connection will be beautiful. It will be a mutual connection. You will feel very attracted to them, and maybe this person is already a crush of yours, or they have a crush on you, and you will talk to them, or you both will talk, and it will be like butterflies flying in your stomach, that kind of happiness. And you'll like, oh, finally, oh, I did it, aha. That moment of happiness. I feel definitely this person is someone, this person is hardworking, and they will try to give you something, a gift. Maybe you will collaborate and work on a project together, or maybe some exam, some semester you are working, some theory, some project, or on office work, and it will bring you some amazing love offer and love connection. You will find how beautiful this connection is. If you are married, I feel you will have a more lighter energy this month, Pisces. You could have a wedding anniversary or someone's marriage, or some childbirth in the family or in friends. So you'll feel very happy. You'll be like, yeah, finally life is feeling better than all this hardship, this pain. I also feel you will find someone in your if you, even if you are married, you may find a friend or a soul connection, and it may be through your work, and this person will stimulate you a lot, like creatively, work wise, and in your mind. This person could be a writer, a mentor, a teacher, into this person is very creative, and they will help you creatively, and that is why you will feel a lot of love with this person, a lot of love, affection. I feel like this is, if you are married, it's not like an extramarital, but it's like a creative friendship where two people come and talk and share things. For others, I feel this is a love affair going on here. And if you ask about work, yes, your wishes are going to come true. Some sort of a happiness is coming your way. I feel you had been working a lot, so maybe some of you could get some holiday or some extra money, which will make you feel like, oh, finally, we are being paid. I also see you learning something new in this month. Some of you could be learning guitar or music, keyboards, piano, something, drawing, painting, and it will make you, or you had this talent in the past also, but you lost it. Now you will reconnect and you'll feel very happy, very, very happy. Let's see other messages for Pisces. Ooh. Cards are flying. Darkest fears, number 9. Change your focus. I definitely feel someone in your past or your twin flame or someone is trying to shift their focus and trying to see things from a new perspective. I feel you are behind, you are past your dark night of the soul, all those things, this 10 of wands, this darkest fear, you are behind all that. All that bad energy is over now, and you are moving to 9 is like completion, 5 is about positive changes. For Pisces, what's going to happen in the month of June? See, daydreams and decisions, definitely I see you getting a lot of messages, telepathic messages, decisions, happiness, love, and your your mind will be working a lot. See, you will be, I think someone will be, some past worry or something that's bothering you will be released from you, and like a weight is lifted off your shoulders, and it will bring you joy and stability. June will bring you a lot of happiness, a lot of stability. You're gonna feel very happy, Pisces, that's for sure. Let's see some extra messages for Pisces for the month of June. Okay, for Pisces for the month of June. Okay. Time for a nap. See, I was see, oh my goodness gracious, I was telling you someone will gift you something, or you will gift someone something. This is amazing. Number 27 might be important. 24, 27 and number 17 are important. Wow, someone is going to gift you something, or you will be, or there will be a mutual love, passion, or sharing of knowledge with each other. I feel if you should take some time to relax because you are working very hard, Pisces. So it's a perfect time to connect and sleep and relax and enjoy life also a little bit. And something will happen this month which is fated, which is destined for you. And I also feel weight and your worries will be lifted off and happiness will come your way. Let's see your romance angels messages, Pisces. For Pisces, okay. See, engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. Yes, some of you could be getting engaged or getting proposed or meeting the person you will end up getting married, or some of you will find very beautiful friendships, if not love. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Wow, I definitely see you keeping an open mind and enjoying the many blessings coming your way. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, you can visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com, friends. And this is Mystic C. Singh. Bye.